Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to Honey Button House. We are a 1 acre property in southeast Queensland. We have dogs, chickens, 2 kids. They're all a bit as crazy as each other. And we're looking to slowly turn this property into something more sustainable and fruitful. So join us on this journey as we change this place up a bit. Why am I in the video? Where are the little doggies? We'll introduce our little doggies. We have a Pippa and a Mia. There's a Pippa. Hello, Pippa. Yes, you're a good dog. And a Mia. She's an old sausage roll, aren't you, Mia? Yes, you are. Little bread loaf. Oh, goodness. So much love. Hello, chicken babies. Good afternoon. This is Princess Leia. She's a good chicken. Hen Solo. You can tell, can't you? She's on a mission. And then we've got 7 new chicks that we've got from my son's daycare. So they're all got their own little personalities. I believe this is the favourite. She's definitely very friendly. Let's let them out. Let the chickens run. We've got to keep an eye on these fellas because you'll end up with eggs in all the weirdest places. Under the cars, in the fire pit area, near the front door. Go eat some fresh pick. Chickens love their fresh green grass. That'll give you the best eggs. If fed right, certain times of the year we'll get at least 2 eggs a day from our 2 chooks. They're very good layers. We also had another chicken, Jubba the Cluck. She wasn't the brightest, and I believe the fox has gotten her. So we've gotten a new chook coop that we got from Facebook for free. I'm going to do this up a bit. The project coming up involves some tyres. It's a good idea to hang out with your chickens regularly. That way they come to you when you call them. They won't run. They've been eyeing off this new pile for a while. Yeah, this is our lime, our very unproductive lime. Bit of a slacker. But it's doing the best it can since it's not watered, not fertilised and not taken care of, which is the majority of my fault. And it's also been knocked over with the mower. We're trying not to do that again. Maybe treat it a bit better and we'll get some more limes. Trying its hardest. We've got a mandarin that's just gone in. We've got, I call it a laclot, but apparently that's wrong. Apparently it's called a loquat, a jabotica. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but that's how my family pronounces it. They have beautiful black berries that grow on the trunk of the tree and they are very juicy. I think that's the fig? No. I don't remember what that one is. I think that was the fig. Yeah, so this area here will hopefully be turned into a bit of an orchard. All kinds of fruit trees and a few different kinds of shrubs and things. So this is a fence we've put in end of last year. This will be the framework for a lot of our climbing fruits, like our passion fruit, grapes. We've got some chocos, that kind of thing. I've also got some bougainvilleas because I just love the colour in the winter, and that'll be great for the bees. And yeah, see my chickens off in the distance, rummaging, little ferals. As we walk into our new veggie garden, these are our wicking beds. So this has been a bit of a process, a lot of research. In our climates, wicking beds is definitely the way to go. So these tanks are IBCs. Digging in the rocks. Yeah. Thank you for joining us for our first episode of Honey Button House. We've got a few projects in the works. We've got to expand the chook pen for our 7 new chickens. We have to test the soil of our garden in wicking beds to see why nothing's growing, why it's all stunted. We're going to replant our front garden in front of the house, build a fountain. We also have a crop swap meet coming up, and yeah, learn a bit about permaculture. I'll be learning just as much as you will be, as I don't know much about it all. And showing a few tips and tricks that my mum's taught me on the way. Oh, and bees! Our bees should be ready soon. I totally forgot about the bees. Our hive is with a local keeper, and he is currently filling our hive with a bee colony. So we're waiting for the phone call, and we'll get to go pick up our bees. That's going to be a very exciting road trip with a car full of bees. See how we go. And beautiful people, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you then.